Camping is great fun, so I've made a tutorial on how to take down and pack away a pop-up tent as easy as possible. Enjoy! Oh, hey everyone, ORANGEE here, and today I'm going to show you how to take down and pack away a pop-up tent. Huh? Why am I doing this? Well, yesterday we had a lot of trouble trying to pack away the tent because it was so fiddly and we couldn't find anywhere any help. So I thought I'm going to do a tutorial and put it on my YouTube so everybody can follow it so they can put the tent away with ease. So let's give it a go. This tent is a 2 to 3 person tent and we bought it from a local store. So, but your tent might be different, it might be a different shape, it might be bigger, it might be smaller, but hopefully your tent is quite similar, and using this guide you'll be able to put your own tent down as well. Okay, let's go. Okay, so this is the front of the tent, okay? And we're going to keep the bottom open a little bit so we can get some air out, because when you're putting it down, if there's too much air inside, it'll go all puffy and everything will just pop around and you won't be able to do it. So, okay, from the front of the tent, we're going to fold the tent in half. When we fold it in half, it's going to make like a heart shape or a triangle. So we're going to grab here and we're going to grab here like this, and we're going to bring these together like that. Can you see that? And then we're going to grab that and keep that there, and we're going to do the same the other side like this. Turn it around. See? Can you see that? Okay, and we're going to bring these round like this. There's one hand, and there's the other hand. So now, we've got our tent folded in half. Now we're going to lay it down on the floor like this. Okay, lay it down on the floor like this. Okay, so we've laid it down on the floor, and it's the shape of a heart. Sorry the camera's not very big and I can't get everything in the shot, but I'll try my best. Okay, so here we are. This is folded down. See that? Yeah, okay. We're going to tuck this in now, just to get it out of the way. So remember, if there's too much air in there, then you may not get it really flat. So leave this open here so we can get all the air out. Okay, we're going to tuck this underneath. Get that in there. There we go, all neat now. Can you see that? It's a heart shape. Yeah, so the tent is just folded in half. Okay, the next step, this is the trickiest bit, okay? This is my right hand and this is my left hand. I'm going to put my right hand right here. Can you see that? My right hand right here. On there. And then my left hand is gonna go here. On there. So this is the top corner of the tent or the heart, and I'm going to take my right hand, I'm going to push up like this, and my left hand's going to hold here, and what we're going to do is we're going to fold the heart in half. Yeah, so we're going to fold this right in half. So we're going to take this all the way over to the other side like this. You got that? Can you see that? Yeah, so all we're doing is folding it in half like that, so it's half a heart. Okay, the next step is, bring it closer, is I'm going to take my right hand here and I'm going to push it under like this, and then my left hand is going to go over. So my left hand is going to go towards the bottom of the heart and my right hand is going to go under towards me, and we're going to make a little twist motion. So left hand this way, right hand under. Are you ready? Let's go. So we're going to twist under like this. Woo! And did you see this here? And the bottom of the heart just pops over like a snake. But it's the lid, it's the top of the tent. So automatically this comes from here to here, and it bumped me in the head. Oh, okay. And all we do now is close the lid. And there we have a pop-up tent taken down. Okay, so what you're gonna do is either watch this video in slow motion, or you can pause it, or just keep watching it again and again until you get the hang of it, okay? Any issues, any tips, make a comment below. Okay, so what we're going to do now, to make it a little bit more neater, we're going to just tuck all the excess in like this, like that, and I'm just going to grab the bag. There we go, and hopefully this is going to fit in the bag. Okay, here we go. Okay, and now we do the zip. Do the zip, and it's in. It's in. It's in the bag. Hey, here we go. Our tent is in the bag. Okay, did you manage to do it through my tutorial? Huh? You did? Great job. I'm so glad you managed to follow my tutorial. That's the end of this video. Thanks for watching. Bye for now. See you soon. Bye guys. I'm just gonna put this away now. Bye bye. Bye for now, and thank you for watching my videos. If you like my video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. And don't forget to subscribe if you want to see new videos as I upload them. Remember, wherever you go, whatever you do, have fun and keep smiling. Orangee, that's me.